Hello friends and my dear students. So in last video we discussed how to apply if, elif and else. So you must have seen that the program was quite long, and this time I am going to make use of if, elif and else along with the logical operators. And for that uh, I would like to show you what is the program we are going to do, and then we'll move to Python. So this was the program which we have done in our last video, that we have to enter the month name, which should be in three letters, first three letters, and it should be in capital. And along with, I have also discussed that if you enter the month name Fab, then in this case you will have to enter year also. Okay, which year do you want to check number of days in Fab? So in the last video we checked every month separately using if-elif, and this time uh, I'm concising the program. Like, if number of days in the months are 31, we are going to check all the months in the one statement, only one statement using or, and months who have only 30 days in the month, we'll check separately using if, elif and or. And for Fab, we'll check what is the year and whether it is a leap year or not. So we'll move to our Python, and this way the program will be shortened. So let's move to Python. So this is the program. So I am going to print here, print, enter month name as, enter first three letters of the month in caps. Okay, here I'm taking month as input, month, and this time I'm also taking a boolean flag invalid, invalid is equal to m is equal to 10 or m is equal to March or m is equal to May or m is equal to July or m is equal to August or m is equal to October or m is equal to December. In this case, number of days should be 31. One more thing I would like to do here, I would like to initialize this variable also. Then I'm going to use elif. Elif m is equal to April or m is equal to June or m is equal to September or m is equal to November. Then number of days should be 30. Elif m is equal to Feb. In this case, we'll have to enter the year. So year is equal to int input year. So what is the year? And if year modulo 4 is equal to 0 and year modulo 100 is not equals to 0, or year modulo 400 is equal to 0, then number of days is equal to 29, else number of days in Feb are 28. Else invalid is equal to true. So program is over here, and now this is time to print the output. See, the length of the program is quite small. 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So all 12 months are here. And over here, I'm going to check if invalid is equal to true. Print month name is invalid, else print month is print and number of days in the month dd. Over here I'm going to take and, so that these two statements should be printed in the same line. Now it's time to run this program. if-elif. So over here I give fab. In this case it will ask for the year. So over here fab, month is fab, and number of days in fab month are 28. Again run this program, and this time I am going to give the invalid month name, say ABC. Month name is invalid. Again I am going to give another month, say month name is Jan, and number of days are 31. Again I am going to run this program, and this time I'll give April. April, month name is April, and number of days in month are 30. So if you see the program size, and if you compare this program with last program which we discussed in the last video, we find this program is quite short and small. And again we have used if-elif, if and elif and else also, along with the logical operators and or. See here. So hope you like the program, and if you like the program, kindly share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of new video as and when it's uploaded. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.